Okay, great. A question from Michael. Are you exploring a n-top solution for scaffolds for tissue engineering? Is the tool able to use or create non-geometric randomized structure? Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, that is cool. Personally, I have not touched upon that just with the customer base that I've been working with, but
Right.
creating repeat that again. It was the randomized geometric structures.
Randomized non-geometric. So I guess like kind of almost like generating a random number using computer algorithm. Can you, this is my understanding is can you generate a printable structure using this kind of randomized process? I actually never heard of that because we are all about creating non-randomized non-randomized geometric lattice so far. That's the
Yeah.
whole thing.
So
So
yeah, I can add a little bit to that. So with the Voronoi lattice structure that I was
mhm.
showing
Yeah.
in the center, so that one is more of a randomized structure for
Oh
better
yeah,
bone
show
growth.
that picture, yeah.
Yeah, so this
So
one
people know what
here,
that
and I think
is.
you can also see it. Yeah, this is the Voronoi lattice structure.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
that one does use random, like random point spacing for that, and you can also adjust it to be more random. You can play around with that location, and it'll
Mm-hmm.
create those beams that way.
Yeah.
I've also one of the nice things with being able to create custom blocks is that I have worked with custom blocks that take that Voronoi randomness and apply that randomness to periodic. So you might have a like the body center cubic that's very periodic, and you add slight randomness to those beams, and you start to get what started off as a periodic and is now a little less so, and you can play around with that as
Mm-hmm.
well. So
Yeah.
I think it depends
Yeah.
on exactly what you wanted to do with it, but I
Yeah.
think it could be possible.
Yeah, I think this is a very interesting question, but we don't really have time to go deep on the philosophical aspect of it. But if you remember the earlier presentation by Alyssa, she presented how nature, which could apparently look random, but actually is not random. So we find order in chaos. That's what we're trying to do here.